Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a lovely recipe for cream cheese cookies. These are nice and light and fluffy and kind of cake-like, and they're really delicious. So let's get started. Not too many ingredients. We need one 8-ounce package or 225 grams of full-fat cream cheese. Don't buy light here. Half a cup or 125 grams of butter. 1 1/4 cup or 250 grams of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or 1 tablespoon vanilla sugar, 2 1/2 cups or 315 grams of flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, a dash of salt. Start out creaming the butter. Cream in the cream cheese. Here it was a bit out of order. First, cream in the sugar and then add the eggs one at a time. But either way it should work. Add the vanilla, baking powder, and salt. Add flour. The dough will be a bit sticky. Spoon onto a lined baking sheet about a tablespoon at a time. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. Take them out immediately if they start to brown. Of course, you can remove them from the baking sheet right away to cool and spoon on more onto the same baking sheet. These cookies are soft and cakey and taste of vanilla, lovely for a quick snack. They do go bad a bit faster than normal sugar cookies though, so be aware of that. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.